Hey guys, welcome back to Brickstreet's official YouTube channel. My name is Adnan and I am your host for today. And we are doing a pretty much great unboxing, which is SafePal S1 hardware wallet, and it's in my hand right now. What does it say? Always secure and protected. Stay safe with SafePal. So we are doing the unboxing. Without further ado, let's begin. Let's talk about the packaging. The packaging looks very premium. The black on black, it has a matte black finish on it. The material which they have used for the box, it's very soft as I can feel it. And on the back, if you see, there are seals which should be intact. So without further ado, let's begin with the unboxing, and we'll cut the seal off and show you what's inside. Let's cut the seal off. Let me open the box. Okay. So here we have the wallet itself. Wow, you can just see how premium it is. Like, it feels very premium in hand and it is very compact. Let's keep it aside and see what else is there. Here we have a Type-C cable. It's basically just for charging the wallet. And let's see what else is there. So these are the seed phrase, you can write it down. The 2 cards are there for writing the seed phrase. 3 cards are there given, and I think this one is for the user manual and for the SafePal app. You can scan this and download the SafePal app on your mobile phone. Here you have got some stickers from SafePal itself, and here they have given a cloth because so it is very glossy. If like I touch it out, I just keep my finger on it, so it would give a fingerprint. So you need to clean it every time whenever you use it. So let's keep everything aside and let's switch on the wallet and see how it looks. As you can see, it is a very compact in size. Like, you can say it is a credit card size device, and it's very handy. On the front side, it has the SafePal branding, 1.3 inch OLED display, and there are 5 buttons given, physical touch buttons you have, and it is like made up of some kind of glossy plastic material. On the back side, it is matte plastic, and here you have a camera, and on the bottom you have a Type-C port. Now this port is only given for charging purpose. It doesn't have any kind of connectivity for it. And on the right side, it has a power on button to switch it on and switch it off. So let me switch it on. Okay, so basically it's not switching on. The reason behind this, companies don't charge. It is very easy for them to do the transit part, and make sure whenever you receive a wallet, you charge it and then basically use it. Let's charge the device and we'll get back to you. So guys, here we have set up, like we have charged this device, and it took around 2 to 3 hours to fully charge this device. One suggestion would from my side would be to fully charge this device and then access it. I wanted to share some interesting facts about SafePal S1. That is, SafePal has done something great with this device. Like there, as you know, there are multiple hardware wallets which uses Bluetooth, NFC, Wi-Fi connectivity, and even fact USB connections to link it with your mobile or any other devices. But SafePal has taken this one step ahead. They have removed Bluetooth, NFC and Wi-Fi from this device, and even fact there is no USB connections, which means your cryptos or your seed phrases or private keys would be totally offline, and it won't be accessible with any kind of hacking activities or external activities. That means this wallet won't be hacked. It is totally safe and offline. So this is one interesting fact that I liked about this device. And now we'll start up the device and show you how to link it with your mobile phone. Let me power it up, like power it on. When the device gets on, it gives us the language option. You can select as per your understanding. There are multiple languages, so we'll select English. Then there are button illustrations, up, back, left, right, more, down. There are multiple options you can select. So here we select submit. So we are ready to set up our wallet. We have downloaded the app in the Android device. You can also download the same app in the iOS as well. The process would be the same for both. So let's click on let's begin. So here are two options: create new wallet and recover my wallet. So we are creating a new wallet. Basically, if you are an old user, you can recover your wallet anytime you want. But if you are a new user, you should always select create new wallet, and we'll select create new wallet. Choose number of mnemonics you want. There are multiple options you can select. Here are 24, 12 and 18. I would suggest you to select 24 because it would be a higher level of security. So we'll select 24. So here are all the mnemonics. Once I'll write it down, and do remember, don't lose your seed phrases because it's an important part with your hardware wallet. And I'll write down the seed phrases. It's showing to me right now. Show you the further process, what has to be continued. Now I have written all the seed phrases, as you can see in this the seed phrase paper which has been given by SafePal itself. So the thing is, now whatever seed phrases they showed us, now we have to verify that. So we'll verify the seed phrases whatever it was. Now we have successfully verified our 24 phrases, as you can see, and now we need to set up the pin, and accordingly you need to set up a 6-digit password for your hardware wallet whenever you turn it on. So I'll start at the password first. So it's saying it would take 10 to 15 seconds to configure your wallet. Now wallet is created. Please name your wallet. You have to name whatever, like if you have multiple wallets, you can accordingly name your wallets whatever you want to name. Okay, so now we have named the wallet, and it's showing download SafePal app. The QR code has been popped up on our screen, and we'll link. Now we'll open the app in our Android device or whatever iOS device you are having. So there are two options: software wallet or hardware wallet. You have to use a hardware wallet. You have to click on the hardware wallet option and scan this QR code so that you can link it with your device. This is the password it's asking. It's showing congratulations, now you are ready to start the SafePal journey. Click on the start, and it's showing how to set up a hardware wallet. Follow the options whatever it has been given. We'll follow the steps and link it. If you want to pair your hardware wallet with the device, you can scan this, and we'll click on scan, and the camera is on in the hardware wallet. And now we'll scan this QR code from our device, whatever it's showing. We'll scan this up, and it has been scanned, and the message is confirm to pair this wallet. It's like okay. We'll add our pin. Okay, now it's asking to scan the QR codes. The next step, we'll scan all the QR codes needed. It's scanning the QR code, like it is showing 11th QR code. Okay, now we have connected the wallet with the device successfully. This was just to show you how the process, how much time the process take. It hardly took me around 5 minutes to set up the device. So that's all for this video. We did the unboxing and showed you how to connect the hardware wallet. In future upcoming videos, we'll show you how to use the hardware wallet properly, what type of cryptocurrencies you can store, and everything about this wallet in future. So that's all for today. See you in the next video.